Hello and happy new year to my beauty lovers. My name's Elise Lindley and welcome back to my channel. So I hope that you all rang in the new year in fabulousness and that it was beautiful and fun and full of good vibes. Mine was really special this year. I ended up going to Las Vegas and I went to the party, if you know you know, with hashtag at the Win. I brought a hairband back. Ta-da! And it was so much fun. I went with two of my best girlfriends, and probably the most special part was when I was talking to the 15-year-old boy beside me, giving him live chats about how he should go to university. Is that John Legend?
I want to elevate with you tonight. Are you ready?
And I look at the stage and there was John Legend right there in all his glory and handsomeness. I felt like he was singing just to me, but there was probably like 500 people in the room, but he was singing just to me. What are we talking about today? Something that's extremely relevant. The top 5 skincare must-haves for the winter to keep your skin plump and revitalized and beautiful and luminescent. So I wasn't really into skincare until I started working for LANCOME. I've worked for them for about 1.5 years now, and I must say my skin has gone from 0 to 100. So today, I'm going to be talking about the winter skincare routine that I do all the time. These are my die-hard favorites that I'll reach for again and again. And especially in the winter, it's so important to take care of your skin because, especially in Canada, everything's cooling down. There may be snow and wind or freezing rain, which hurts a lot, like little jabs in your skin. So these are the things that will really make your skin luminous, will help protect it, and will help bring back that radiance and plumpness. A big trend that's been happening in North America is our knowledge about Korean skincare. So I'm starting off my whole little winter skincare routine with my favorite toner by Amore Pacific. This stuff is awesome. It's actually made in Korea. It has red ginseng extract in it, which helps calm irritation and get rid of redness. It also has green tea extract in it to soothe. This stuff basically just balances out the pH level of your skin. And I have very sensitive skin, I always have. And so this is like really gentle and it smells heavenly. My all-time favorite serum. It's not like you guys haven't heard me talk about it in every single video before is, can you guess? The LANCOME Génefique serum. This stuff changed my skin. This has 2 different types of probiotics in it that help promote healthy bacteria on the face, meaning it brings back the youthfulness, the luminosity, and the softness in your skin. Now, when I started working for LANCOME, this literally changed my skin for the better. Like, I couldn't believe it. In 7 days, my skin was like, I was like, oh, it's like a pillowy soft. It just was beautiful. And the great thing about this product, it's for all ages, all ethnicities, and all skin types. Fun fact about Génefique serum, one sells every 15 seconds, you guys. So there's been over 25 million sold in the world. I have tried so many night creams and none of them have measured up to this one. It is the LANCOME Visionnaire Beauty Sleep Perfector. Now this stuff is loaded with hyaluronic acid, so it visibly smooths and plumps your skin. And I don't know if you know this, but hyaluronic acid holds 10 times its weight in water. Isn't that nuts? The thing I love about this product is it really helps with the texture of your skin. So if you have like some bumps and you need a little bit of micro exfoliation, this stuff has a derivative of salicylic acid in it to do exactly that. Plus, it tightens your pores and goes to them. How important is it to protect your skin, especially during the winter months and through clouds, because you can still get sunburned. The amount of people that come in and talk to me about sunscreen never wear it in the winter. So you guys, go buy some CLAIRINS broad spectrum SPF to help you out. The reason I love CLARINS is it's a completely plant-based product line. And so this stuff is probably, I've tried so many sunscreens and they all have left a white cast on my skin, or if I wear it under makeup, my skin in my T-zone tends to get oily. I can wear this under makeup, I can wear this in like hot weather or cold weather, and this stuff just for some reason works well with my skin. Now I have dry skin, sometimes combination, but it's for all skin types, so you definitely should check it out. Let's get real here. What is the most unattractive thing on a person? I'm talking dry, Grand Canyon. You know those old school Westerns that it's like really dry and dusty? And then there's that thing that just tumbles across the screen. I am talking about dry, cracked lips. I have bought this product 1,000 times over and over throughout the years, and it is the MAC Lip Conditioner. This stuff is so hydrating. I literally like won't share it. If I'm on my last little bit, it's like too bad. If you have cracked lips, like I'm saving it for myself. Those were my top 5 favorite die-hard must-have winter skincare beauty products that I think you all need. Make sure you leave a comment below. Tell me what's your favorite secret product that you love to use in the winter and that you think that I should try out, because I want to know. I want to try these things. I love new things. I'm Elise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my fabulous posts. I can't wait to hear from you in 2019.